In this video, I will show you how to change your Alipay account number. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Alipay app. Then go ahead and click on account. Go ahead and click on this setting icon. Click on account and security. Then go ahead and click on mobile number. Then come down below right here, click on change mobile number and follow the prompt. And your number will be changed without losing any information about your Alipay. It's that simple. More useful tutorial like this, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.